Welcome to Charcon. We're here to help you create safer and better cycle routes. Today, we'll show you our options and share ways to get more people cycling. In today's urban landscape, cycle safety issues arise from poor or non-existent cycle infrastructure, stifling the growth of cycling in the UK. Charcon offers the widest range of UK-manufactured products designed to address these challenges. Our market-leading solutions adhere to the core design principles of the LTN 120 document and are trusted by thought leaders and local authorities across the UK. All products are available in British Standard Grey and CSK, which is a black fleck textured finish. A typical road in the UK is designed with the car as the primary user, implying right-of-way to motorists. These roads can easily be transformed to align with the new highway code directives, providing cyclists access to a safe, efficient, and comfortable cycle network. Let's start with the conversion of a wide road into a cycle lane using Charcon's 500 segregation units. Begin by marking out the designated area for the cycle path. Use chalk or other temporary markers to outline the location of the segregation curbs. Carefully remove the existing wearing course from the marked-out area. Use a brush to clean the surface thoroughly, preparing it for the installation process. Establish a plumb line to determine the final height of the segregation unit. Apply a layer of high-strength bedding mortar evenly across the prepared surface. Using mechanical lifting equipment, place the first end segregation unit on the bedding mortar and level with a paver's maul. Use a hammer to insert pins to secure the unit in place. Continue the installation by placing additional segregation units. Maintain a small gap between each to allow for thermal expansion. Install the second rounded end unit to complete the first section. Make good the wearing course around the segregation units. These segregation units can be installed quickly so that the highway can be returned to use with minimal interruption. Next, we'll look at how to replace the inner curb. In this scenario, the existing race is suitable for reuse with the new curb. Replacing the inner curb will enhance accessibility by creating a seamless transition for cyclists. Remove the inner curb. Excavate the bedding as required to accommodate additional bedding mortar. Set up a plumb line, level with the existing pavement height. Apply a layer of bedding mortar. Using mechanical lifting equipment, install the demarcation curb along the designated path. Use a paver's maul to ensure accurate alignment. Make good the surface around the curb. Complete the installation by applying cycle path designation markings on the surface. Ensure clear and visible markings for the safety of cyclists. With these steps, this part of the project is complete. Moving on to the addition of a cycle lane to a small road, using Charcon's 290 segregation unit. Begin by marking out the designated area for your cycle path, indicating the location of the segregation units. Remove the existing wearing course, base course, and road base, ensuring sufficient width and depth to accommodate the curb and race. Establish a plumb line to determine the final installation height. Lay a race of concrete, grade ST1 or as per the engineer's specifications, evenly across the prepared surface. Using mechanical lifting equipment, place and level a segregation end unit using the line, and a paver's maul to ensure it is level and accurately aligned. Following the same process, add further segregation units with small gaps between them to allow for thermal expansion. Complete the section of curbing by placing the end unit. Add the curb haunch in accordance with BS 7533 Part 6. Repeat the process for the next section of segregation curbs, leaving a space between sections to allow rainwater to drain from the highway. In this scenario, the existing race is not suitable for reuse with the new curb. Adjust the plumb line to match the existing height of the pavement. Remove the existing curb and race to accommodate the new curb and race in line with the engineer's details. Concrete, grade ST1, is poured to form the race, roughly leveled, and partially compacted. Additional concrete, grade ST1, is layered over the partially compacted race and then leveled with a spade. Using mechanical lifting equipment, lay and level the demarcation curb using a paver's maul, ensuring precise placement for both aesthetics and functionality. Continue the installation by placing additional curbs, maintaining proper alignment and spacing for a seamless finish. Add the curb haunch in accordance with BS 7533 Part 6. Make good the cycle path and pavement surfaces to provide a safe, smooth, visually appealing surface for cyclists. Now, let's explore one more installation. Our last installation involves creating a continuous level cycle track using Charcon's Dutch entrance curb units. Begin by marking out the Dutch crossing. Remove the existing curbs and excavate the road surface in line with the engineer's details. Mark out the races for both the Dutch curbs and the demarcation curbs. Establish string lines as leveling guides. They will serve as a visual reference to ensure that all curbs are perfectly aligned and at the correct height. Concrete, grade ST4, is poured to form the first race, roughly leveled and partially compacted. Additional concrete, grade ST4, is layered over the race and then leveled with a spade. Using mechanical lifting equipment, carefully position and tamp down the end Dutch entrance curb. Level with a paver's maul for precise alignment. Lay the next curb in position, ensuring it aligns with the string line and the previously laid end unit. Continue the installation by placing additional curbs, maintaining proper alignment and spacing for a seamless finish. Install the second end unit to complete the section. Add the curb haunch in accordance with BS 7533 Part 6. Charcon offers a selection of transition units that enable the Dutch curb to smoothly connect with the existing curbs. Repeat the process for the opposite side but without the end units. Lay the demarcation curb. Add the supercolor asphalt road surface, making good on the excavated areas, creating a smooth and visually appealing surface. Complete your project by applying clear and visible cycle path designation markings, enhancing the safety and functionality of the Dutch curb system. With this, our transformation is complete, providing a safer and more accessible route for all users. We also offer an accredited CPD, covering the topics discussed in more detail. For more information, or to start your project, contact us today. Let's build safer and more efficient cycle routes. With Charcon, you can